Hi Mama, welcome to this lesson on introducing some of those allergen foods. How to introduce eggs at 6 months, the allergy safe method. Hi Mama, let's talk about one of my favorite weaning superfoods, eggs. Most parents are scared of egg allergies, but the truth is early introduction between 6 to 12 months actually reduces the risk. Why eggs are the excellent first proteins? Eggs give your baby protein, healthy fats, iron, zinc, vitamin D, vitamin B12 and choline. Amazing for brain and vision development. The step-by-step egg introduction. Step 1. Start with yolks at 6 months. Hard boil the egg for 10 to 12 minutes. Take out the yellow yolk. Mash with breast milk, formula or water. Initially, offer just 1 to 2 teaspoons. Watch for 2 to 3 days. If tolerated, increase to 1 to 2 tablespoons. You can mix yolk with rice, dal, veggies or mashed potatoes or those sweet potatoes as well. Step 2. Start egg whites after 1 week once yolk is well tolerated. Hard boil, full egg, mash whole egg into puree or for a small amount mixed with familiar foods. Never give runny, soft boiled or half cooked eggs. Step 3. Expand the egg recipes. Soft scrambled eggs one day with no salt, egg rice mash the other day. Another day you can try some vegetables mixed with egg khichdi. Another day egg yolk plus sweet potatoes. So, how do you look out for that egg allergy? Remember, after feeding, monitor for at least 2 hours. The red flag signs are hives, vomiting, swelling of the lips or face, wheeze or difficulty in breathing. These are all emergencies. If a mild rash appears, stop and call your doctor. Mistakes to avoid: no raw or soft boiled eggs, no mixing with milk on the first introduction, no multiple new foods on the same day, no salt or butter. Eggs are safe, eggs are healthy, and early introduction protects against allergies. It does not cause them. Now, lesson number 3. Introducing allergens at 6 months, especially those peanuts, eggs, dairy, fish, nuts, wheat, soy, sesame. Hi Mama, this very important lesson is about introducing common allergic foods safely around 6 months. The old advice was delay allergens, but modern evidence says the opposite. Introducing allergens early and regularly reduces allergy risk. Let's learn the safe workflow of how to introduce. Before you start screening and timing, start allergen introduction only when your baby is 6+ months. The baby already tolerates 4 to 5 basic foods and your baby is not sick. High-risk babies who have severe eczema or some existing food allergies, or your siblings have anaphylaxis or reactions, don't try to introduce. Talk to your pediatrician first. If they recommend under supervision, you can try, else not. Universal safety rules must follow. Introduce one allergen at a time. Wait 2 to 3 days before the next new allergen. Do it at home, not at the daycare. Watch for 2 hours after the first exposure. Use non-choking forms of that food. Start tiny, like a pea size. Move to half a teaspoon and then tablespoon. Continue regularly, 2 to 3 times a week. So, how do we introduce specific allergens? Parent-friendly guide. Peanuts at 6 months, the safe form to introduce is thin, smooth peanut butter mixed with water or breast milk. Or you can use peanut flour mixed with fruit purees. Start with 1/4, quarter to half a teaspoon and then increase slowly. Eggs, already covered in lesson number 2. Start with the cooked yolk, then whole egg, no raw or soft boiled eggs. Dairy, safe forms at 6 months are only plain yogurt, small amounts of cheese. It's not cow's milk as a drink. Fish, use soft, flaked fish, no bones, fully cooked, start very tiny. Tree nuts, almonds, cashews, walnuts, only smooth nut butters, thin with water or milk, never whole nuts. Wheat porridge, soft chapati, soaked and mashed. Sesame, thin tahini mixed into porridge or fruit. Soy, soft tofu cubes or soy yogurt. Now, the dosing and frequency, evidence-based, is always start with pea size. Move up to half a teaspoon. The goal is to serve 2 to 3 times a week rather than be over-ambitious. Red flags, the allergy signs. Mild signs are hives, vomiting, loose stools. Severe emergency signs, difficulty in breathing, wheeze, severe swellings or massive hives, repeated vomiting, baby looks pale or blue, rush to your nearest hospital. So how do you imbibe this entire pattern with your parent workflow? Choose a calm day, feed allergen mixed with familiar foods. Start tiny. Watch at least 2 hours after introducing that new food. Log everything in a food diary. Repeat 2 to 3 times per week. Now remember, certain high-risk infants, if your baby has severe eczema or a known food allergy, don't experiment alone. Talk to your doctor. Under supervision, introduction might be recommended. You can confidently introduce allergens from 6 months in safe forms. This is one of the best steps you can take to reduce allergies later in childhood. Lesson number 4. Putting it all together, how to sequence proteins and allergens. Introduction. Let's make this super simple. Week by week plan. At 6 to 7 months you can start. Week 1 to 2 only start with dal, rice, veg purees and fruits. At week number 3, chicken introduction or the egg yolk introduction can now happen. At week number 4, peanut butter form dairy products like yogurt, fish or wheat can now be introduced. At week number 5 and 6, add egg white and tree nut butters. Add sesame or tahini, add soy. The parent's golden reminder: introduce small, watch carefully, repeat frequently, but don't be over ambitious with the portion size or with the frequency. Go slow. There's no race. Whatever you're doing is just teaching the baby for future, preparing them to tolerate all these allergic foods very well so that they don't have to face any difficulties later. So hey, where's the rush? Go easy. There's no train to catch. You and your baby need to move on this journey slowly, sensibly and very, very responsibly. But remember, if you're in doubt, call your pediatrician and get advice.